Hello, everybody.
There
Well,
you go.
are we ready now?
Yes.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris, and I am your host today. And today we are going to be installing. Hang on. Come on in, baby. This camera. It is a Reolink. I forget the model number, but it is a PTZ camera. And this one is going to be right here on the corner of my house. So I'll be able to zoom in and go that way and go that way. It's a 4K camera, $128, tax and all, at Best Buy. Let's get right into installing. So the first thing I had to do, move up right there, stop right there. Okay, the first thing I have to do is remove the old camera. The old camera is a Vivint. This camera is a $450 camera that's maybe worth $100. They overcharge the crap out of people. So that's why we're going to do it ourselves. So this camera has a micro SD card embedded in the actual camera. You've got to figure out where that's at, but it'll rotate like this. And so let's come on over here closer. Okay, now, if you notice, so the camera was originally like this when it came out of the box, right? Mm-hmm. So then what you got to do, if you want to get, it comes with also with a 64 gig SD card. So what we're going to do is we're going to tilt this down and you'll see a little slot. Now whether I can actually get it open or not, that's a different question. Oh, come on. Hang on, y'all. Hang on. No, don't pause it. Don't pause it. Don't pause it. Don't pause it. Baby, you got to quit. Dude, read my signs. Read my signs. Okay. So when in doubt, oh, that's not going to work. Here we go. Let's see. Oh my goodness, dude, that is a pain in the buttocks. Okay, so now, I don't know if you can even see that, but the card slot is right there. This thing is a pain in the butt to get out, but it's waterproof. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert this card. So come on over here, baby. Let's go over here. We're going to do it right here on the hood of your Mercedes. Let's go. So what we're going to do, yeah, don't let it flop around like that either. So we're going to pull this out, see right here, and then it shows you that it goes just like this. So insert it like this. And then we're going to take a knife and we're going to push that in till it clicks. Did you hear it? Well, it wasn't grinding like that, but it wasn't grinding. It was a click, baby. It wasn't a grind. It wasn't. Okay, so now we got our SD card in there. Now, what this does is it actually allows you to record onto the camera locally, so it's not going to any cloud providers. I don't think it's communicating outside the network unless I allow it to, maybe through a port number possibly, but we're going to look at that later. Now, let's get to it. Follow me, baby. Her ice cream is melting, so I don't know how much longer she's going to last here. Okay, so this is the cap. So it comes like this when you get it open. Okay, so you see right here, see, and then we go this way. So there's a little button right here. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. You pull this and then you flip it this way and it pops right out. So you notice there's little notches on each corner, and if you look, they match up here, 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 and here. Mm-hmm. So it's got little notches that match up. So you need this on the top of the camera. We insert this and we put it in here and we screw it down like this, everybody. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, y'all. Now let's do this. There we go. We're gonna make sure that thing don't go flying off. Now we got to bolt this to that. So because my setup is a little different, so I have a blue cable coming through so mine is a blue cable. Let me show y'all. Here, I'm gonna take the phone now. So if you look, see, mine's a blue cable right here. The blue cable goes out and comes out right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the black cable and we're just gonna get rid of the blue cable altogether. Okay, here you go, baby. I'm gonna have to edit all that out because that's gonna make people sicker than a dog with all that swimminess and crap. Okay, let's do it. So we need a navaja or knife to cut this. that's actually, okay. We need it. Come on, sucker. Safety first, cut towards yourself. Now, we're going to pull this out. Oh, crap buckets. Okay, there we go. So see, we just pulled it out. Then what we're going to do, I have no idea what size this bit is. It's a big one. I think it's an inch. Yeah, it's an inch. So we're going to do this because you need that for this to go through. That's a pretty good size. So we're just going to drill an inch hole just in case we ever need it. At least we got it. Let's do it, y'all. Let's do it. Ready, honey? Here we go. Okay, we're good, eh? Okay. Now that we got our hole drilled, now we got to figure out how in the... Okay, so it looks like it goes like this. So we have our piece here. This snaps in. It goes click like that. And then the cable goes right out through the back here in this hole. So what we're going to do first, we don't want to drop this, so we're going to put it off to the side. Disclaimer. If you drop the camera, it is not my fault. That is your fault. Disclaimer. Just letting y'all know, dog. Just letting y'all know. Okay? Now make sure that your hole, when you drill the hole, that the hole on this matches the hole that you have. And it's for this, it's like perfect. So now, try not to drop screws all over your driveway and end up with flat tires. So just say it. Okay. Safety first. All hands on the freaking ladder. Do not do what I'm doing. Do what I tell you, not what you see me do. Now, okay, that looks pretty straight. So we're gonna put... Don't do that either. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try not to drop this again.
Is this a comedy show or a how to do?
Well, it's not supposed to be, but I'm involved, so it probably is gonna be. There we go. Now, let's take the camera. Oh God, I'm gonna hurt myself. Now, we're gonna take the camera. Okay, baby, I need you to come probably right here. She's coming around. I'm mounting when she comes. Now we're gonna go like this. And we're going to feed this through like that. See that? That's why in each hole is probably sufficient. And we're going to feed this through. And then we're lining up these right here. Oh, look at that. Done, y'all. Look at that. Okay, now let's get power on it. And then we'll transfer this to our other thing. Okay, y'all, so see, now I just unplugged this blue cable. Remember the blue cable I told y'all about? Now we're going to snap that in. We should have power. Okay, y'all, and that's it for this part. Okay, everybody, welcome back to the Cheryl Technology Channel. After much consideration, here's what I found. So this splitter, apparently, this camera does not do PoE injection. So you have to have the separate PoE, the separate power cable right there that's plugged into power. You have to have that. Now the camera's up and running. Peace.